Mary married to John. After 1 year, this couple is blessed with a baby boy and they named that boy as John's son. Now the question is, if Mary marries to James instead of John, what is the name they will give to that baby boy? ఒకవేళ మేరీ జాన్కి బదులు జేమ్స్కి మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటే అప్పుడు ఏం పేరు పెడతారు ఆ బేబీ బాయ్కి? దే మే నేమ్ హిమ్ యాజ్ జేమ్స్ సన్. సిమిలర్లీ, ఇఫ్ మేరీ మ్యారీస్ టు థామస్, then they may name that baby boy as Thompson. Let us take one more example. If instead of marrying all these people, if Mary marries to Hat, then that baby boy name might be Hatson. So now you might be getting confused. Why are we discussing all these things in our chemistry? No need to worry. By the end of this video, you will understand why are we discussing all these things. Now you might be surprising, why are we discussing all these things instead of discussing reaction between an acid and a metal? Your doubt is really honest and true, but by the end of this video you will understand why are we discussing all these things. And in addition to that, by the end of this video, you will be also able to answer all these questions. What are they? Do you think there will be any gas produced when any acid reacts with a metal? Similarly, is the reaction between an acid and a metal a displacement reaction? Like that, all these 6 different types of questions you will be able to answer by the end of this video. So keep watching till the end. So let us quickly dive into our main topic. What is that? Reaction of acid with metal. So this is what our main topic of this particular video. And you can see here we have a test tube. In that we have poured diluted hydrochloric acid and in that we have dropped some zinc granules. Then we fixed this rubber curve. To this we have fixed a delivery tube to collect the gas which is evolved during the reaction between acid and a metal. And during this reaction between the acid and this metal, there is a gas. What is that? Hydrogen gas. How to confirm? You have to bring a lighted matchstick near to the mouth of this delivery tube. Then it will give pop-up sound. If it is giving pop-up sound, then you can confirm this is a hydrogen gas. Now let us look at the chemical reaction. See, this is the chemical reaction related to our previous activity and the diagram. So what is that? HCl is reacting with zinc, and during the reaction between this HCl and zinc, there is a salt produced. Which salt? Salt of zinc, and also hydrogen gas produced. So from this what we can observe, when acid reacts with a metal, corresponding salt and hydrogen gas will be produced. So now, instead of zinc, if sodium reacts, which salt will be produced? Salt of sodium. Instead of sodium, if magnesium reacts, salt will be produced. But which salt? Corresponding salt. Means salt of magnesium will be produced. Instead of magnesium, if aluminum reacts with same HCl, then salt of aluminum will be produced, not the salt of zinc or sodium or magnesium. So this is the meaning of corresponding salt. Corresponding salt means whatever the metal reacting with acid, that metal's salt will be produced. So that is the reason we are mentioning here as a corresponding salt. Now let us come back to our first discussion. Previously we have started our session with this. Why? Because to make you good clarity on corresponding salt. Corresponding salt means if John gets married with Mary, John's son will be getting birth. So if sodium reacts, then salt of sodium will be produced. if magnesium reacts, salt of magnesium will be produced. So this is what corresponding salt means. Finally, as part of conclusion, let us re-discuss when a acid reacts with a metal, corresponding salt and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is the common product. Only two products will be produced. What are they? Corresponding salt and hydrogen gas are produced when a acid reacts with a metal. Now you might be having a very common doubt. This is zinc chloride, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride. All these are chlorides, but formula is different. No need to worry. You just go and check your class 9th chemistry and physics textbook. There, chemical formula of ionic compounds using criss-cross method you have learned. So, using criss-cross method, we can easily tell the chemical formulas of especially ionic compounds. So, if you have patience, you go and check how to write chemical formulae of the ionic compounds using criss-cross method, which you have studied in your class 9th. Now let us try to answer all these questions which you can see on the screen with the help of our discussion. First question, do you think there will be any gas produced when an acid reacts with metal? Yes. Which gas is produced? Hydrogen gas. Third question, do all metals produce hydrogen gas when they react with metals? Yes. Fourth question, is the reaction between an acid and a metal a displacement reaction? Yes, because for example, when HCl is reacting with zinc, zinc is displacing hydrogen from HCl. Fifth question, if zinc reacts with HCl, then salt of zinc is produced. Which salt is produced when magnesium reacts with HCl? Answer is salt of magnesium, and its chemical formula is MgCl2. Now, we need to tell chemical formulae of all these salts. Sodium chloride, every day we will eat, that is common salt, and NaCl is the chemical formula. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2. Zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Aluminum chloride, AlCl3. So these are the chemical formulas. So my dear students, let us come to our final conclusion on reaction of acid with metal. And the final conclusion is, when any acid reacts with a metal, corresponding salt and hydrogen gas will be produced, and whatever we have discussed till now, I think you got good clarity. If yes, please like and share with as many friends as possible. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.